In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GameChat on your Nintendo Switch 2. So when you're in the main menu of your Nintendo Switch, just go to the GameChat option at the bottom, click A, and then select who will be using GameChat. And then it is set up and ready to go. So go ahead and click Start. And then it tells you about GameChat, hit Next. And then you need to read the GameChat terms. Quick read, hit Next. I consent, and then hit Next. All right, then scan that with your smart device. And then it showed you that you will need your phone to verify. So once you scan the QR code, it'll take you to your Nintendo account. And then on your Nintendo account, you need to confirm your email address. It'll send you a code. You type in that code, and then it'll have you type in your phone number. And then once you've confirmed your phone number, it'll give you a code for that confirmation. And then once that's done, it'll link that phone number to your Nintendo account. And then that will give you the option to use GameChat. So now my phone number is saved, and I'm gonna hit OK. And once they're approved, you'll be able to see the invites that they send. So go ahead and hit Next. And then you select your friends. And then you hit Next. And then setup is complete. And then now your account is set up for GameChat. And there you go. Now you're in GameChat. You can create a chat or look at the chat list that you can join. So whenever you're in game, you're able to just hit the GameChat button on your Pro Controller or on your Joy-Con. So you click that and it'll open up GameChat, and you can just click on your profile and then you're able to join game chats. So it's as simple as that. That's how you use it for the Nintendo Switch 2.